Hello, it is supposed to rain today. It's supposed to be thundery and lightning, but apparently it's not gonna be. As you can see, it's seemingly okay. We have birds on roofs, we have people outside. Okay, there are clouds, and there's an awful lot of clouds, or rather a big massive cloud that's just there. I was almost hoping I could hear thunder then, but no, I think that's a plane. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's just a plane. We are on a flight path, so you may think that you hear a plane and actually it could be thunder. Obviously, there's a distinct difference between the two. But the altitude that the planes fly at the moment around here are sometimes a little bit muffling, so they can sound similar. Even though obviously they're distinctly different. I'm just moving the camera around, so apologies for slight wobbliness. I'm really hoping that something interesting happens, but I don't think anything is going to happen at the moment. It's a really strange, just random cloud. I don't know whether you can actually see this little cloud that's just wafting on by. I'll just see if I can get it in view. Sorry. I don't even know if it's be visible on the camera. If you're going to be able to see it, it should be in shot now. But I've got a feeling you're not going to be able to see that. It's like a really light grey cloud. And amongst all the others, you're probably not going to be able to see that. And there's another plane. And a birdie! Why on earth is my camera constantly refocusing? So there are potentially loads of flies or what have you are gonna refocus the camera, and there's actually just a little, or there was, just over on that roof that I'm just pointing at now, there was a magpie just over there. So we get loads of bugs and all sorts around here at the moment, especially with the muggy weather that we've got. So you may find that there may just be a random fly that lands on the window, and I apologise for that, but that will just aim for the camera to refocus, as obviously that's going to be the camera's focus. I've not done any special settings for the camera. I've literally just turned the camera on and it's just going to do its thing. It's a Sony Z2 Xperia phone that I'm using, if anyone's interested, with a 20.1 or 20.7 megapixel standard motion shot. I don't even think I've set that on. I've not done anything actually, so there's literally nothing on it. It's just a standard, you press the camera button and it just loads, does its thing. So there's no editing. I won't be doing any editing. The most I'll do, if anything, is maybe adjust the length of time, or maybe cut it in half and then send it up to YouTube space. But I doubt I'll even do that, to be honest. And that's extent to any and all editing I do to either photos or pictures. Photos or oh gosh, photos or videos. I've just had a NEOP. If anyone watches any of my sarcoma videos, and my knee's really hurting at the moment, which is why I'm like a little bit. So anyway, mute point there, apologies. So we've got a couple of birds around here at the moment. There's a couple of magpies. I think they're breeding pairs. We've also got some starlings, blackbirds. We've got a form of chaffinch and either a yellow-ticked or something along those lines. I'm not 100% sure, but anyway, we've got a form of a tit around as such, and they're really beautiful to listen to first thing in the morning. So you may just find them flying on by, and the camera will more than likely just refocus to accommodate them as well. They tend to focus into the tree that's directly in front of us. I don't know if I can just sort of, if I do that, you'll be able to see which tree. So one furthest away, that tends to be their favourite tree to go towards. If I actually just move if I do that, then you'll have that in shot as well. So I'll leave you be. We are also on a flight path here, and we're currently facing around northwest at the moment. So you may find that sort of the odd sun direction may be a little bit quirky, and also the clouds tend to be coming from, if you like, the left of the screen, which is to the north, or the northwest, and that's just gradually coming slightly south or southeast. So as they come towards the right of the screen, that'll be going towards the southeast, and they're coming from the northwest direction. The radars are looking positive for some sort of storm action, so hopefully something nice and positive will happen. I'm just going to let the camera run, let it be. It may just randomly cut out due to the camera getting too warm, or something along those lines. There's plenty of storage, so it should be quite a nice long video. If there's any queries, or if you'd like to just basically tell me to hush when I'm talking, doing any commentary, what have you, please feel free to comment and let me know, because I'm still trying to work out what's best within videos, and trying to work out what people are actually really interested in, because still trying to work all that out at the moment. Not so much for the likes and sharing an idea, it's just that I understand what everyone's wanting, and I'm not just basically doing stuff for no point. So anyway, I'll let you all be, and yeah, just let me know how you think the video goes, and if you just want to look through any of the other videos and see what your opinion is of those, and please do feel free to comment. It'd be much appreciated. Any comments are welcome. Swearing, etc., or negative stuff, nah, that's not welcome. That's not good. Any questions, please just bring them over. That's fantastic. I am on Twitter as well, if you would like to be a bit more private as opposed to stick them out in public space. So that is at Cindy Ant Monroe. I will pop that on my channel bio, and then that way you can obviously do that at your own perusal in your own sort of fancy time, etc. Anyway, I'll let you all be, and hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much.